how to add link to Facebook story. Firstly, you need to open up your Facebook application, then simply you need to go on create story selection on that plus icon, simply tap on it, then get a picture on it, or simply you can add just text on it. But right now I'm gonna get with this photo. Go on the right upper side by clicking on sticker selection, which is on the first side. And from here, as you can see, you have many different options right over there, but as you can see, there is no option to get up and take over a link section. Now what are you gonna do if you cannot find that link selection, which is so important for you? And yeah, from here, if you go see more, as you can see, also there is no option to take off and add a link to your Facebook story, unless the link could be added if you go select something and then simply just go on text and then go paste that selection, and then you're gonna be available to take over that site. Yeah, right now as you can see, I have added a link which is not as need to be, because as I said before, there is no option to take off and get that selection.